They have given a specific queue, that is input restricted double ended queue. That means that queue is having double ended. NQ and DQ both can be performed from both the end, but it is input restricted. That means input can be performed at rear end only. That is normal. Front end you cannot perform the NQ, but output, that is DQ, can be performed on both the ends. Now they have given some sequence of operation and they have asked that what will be the sum of all the elements of the queue. One more thing they have given is, if there is a restricted operation, then that particular restricted operation will not have any impact on the queue. So the first operation is NQ5. So 5 will be NQ'd into my queue. So in queue only 5 will be there. Second statement says that NQ at rear 8. So I have added 8 in my queue. Third statement says, so this I have executed, this I have executed. Third, NQ at front. NQ at front I'll have nothing, that means this executed with no operation. DQ at rear, that means 8 will be removed from my queue. So I am having a new queue that is having only element 5 up to this point. NQ rear, so 4 will be added at the rear end of the queue. NQ at rear 4. After that, NQ at front 6, no operation will be there. NQ at rear again 2, so NQ rear 2, I have added 2. And at the end, DQ from the front. So DQ from the front, that means 5 will be removed from the queue. This DQ I have performed. So I am having my queue 4 and 2 are in the sequence. So the sum of 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. This is my answer.